It's been a while. Um, yeah, so the last video I uploaded was November when I did the 20 pips challenge. Well, I said I was going to do it, and I said I was going to update you guys. Well, here's an update. I'm not doing it anymore. Um, I'll tell you why. Because I think the more important thing is learning the skill to becoming profitable rather than trying to make a bunch of money first, right? There's no point in it anyway. It teaches you bad risk management, etc., etc. So, I mean, I tried it for like a month, lost a little bit, not too much, and I decided to just full on deposit, an actual amount and trade that how I would normally trade if I was trying to do it for a living, if you know what I mean. But yeah, that's the 20 pips challenge for me, non-existent anymore. So yeah, I've been trading, still, trying to like get that profitability. And I'll put a link onto the FX book so you guys can click it and see it if you want. But yeah, no, I'll show you my screen. So this is, well, I use this site for a bit of news and the classic Forex Factory, which everybody uses, right? But if we go to Wednesday, it's not really much news that we don't have to worry about. Anyway, we go to this trade here. This is Euro JPY, right? And as you can see, right, the 4 hour, you've got a bit of an uptrend. So I was like only looking for buys. And daily, well, the previous days we've had a tap into the previous week low, right? Rejection, bullish close, and again more lower wick. Now we're pushing up today. And today, this is what the 4 hour looks like, approaching the previous week's high, and we are just trading zone to zone really. Go here, and yeah, just take that. All I wanted to do was buy from either here or here and target up here, which is the previous day's high. No, not previous day's high. It's like the most recent high we've got because that's the most recent price action. But anyway, at the minute, you can see I entered this trade around 8, 8, 8:10. What happened is price came down, tapped into the zone, rejected. Now it's pushing up. Now all we need to do is try push past the zone because this is going to be a hard zone to push past. And actually, I set my alert and it says break even, so it's an alert up here. So I should take my stop loss, move it just here. I can edit it. Yeah, that's about fine. But yeah, now we're break even. Now I can't lose money on this trade, right? It's a good thing. It's great. Now we just hold for 66 pips. This whole range this captures about 70. And yeah, you can see that I'm using a 0.2 lot size actually. But yeah, so actually I took a trade. I can show you the trade. So right here, took a trade yesterday, on 28th March. Today's the 29th, as you can see down here. Wait. As you can see, well, it doesn't actually tell you the date, but if we zoom in, this was the trade I took. I removed the markings because it's, but whatever. Anyway, same concept, from zone, target up here to where there was another zone somewhere. And then price pushed up. Didn't realize there was a strong zone in the middle that we had to tackle. And price just rejected and came down. And I was broke even, so I actually didn't lose money on this trade. Overall, good trade. Follow the plan, whatever. It's great. I trade London session every day. Wake up, you know. But yeah, let's see what's happening here. Like we've got a bit of a rejection, which isn't the best in my opinion. I mean, preferably we want a candle to close above the zone. That's when we know, we've sealed the deal and it's just a free ride up to this range. But this was like the first obstacle we had to tackle. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I don't think we're gonna get a closure above the zone in this candle. Maybe the next 15 minutes we might get a closure. But yeah, no, price has moved up about 20 pips, 25 pips, and now it's a good time to put break even. So we'll do that. But yeah, it's going okay. I'm currently at a loss, and this is actually a live market with real money. So trying to manage the emotions is a little bit more difficult than a demo account, I must say. So yeah, no, that's the update of this trade, and you guys can see the outcome of this trade. It will be put up on my FX book because it automatically does all the journaling for me. But yeah, you'll either see me get taken out of break even or potentially a profit. We'll see how this goes, guys. Anyway, I'm gonna try to keep you updated. I might start journaling every single trade and put up on my YouTube to be like, hey, right, it helps to be more accountable. But yeah, um, I I honestly decided to just start trading to trade first, because you know it's a skill set you need to acquire first before you make money, right? So just try to learn, try to do it, try to be consistent. I mean, it's not much because I don't have much in the account, so but if we think in percentage terms, it should be that's how you should think. If you can make 2% on £100, then if you had 100,000, if you make 2%, it's doing the exact same thing with the £100. It's just the money's different. One's going to be £2 and one's going to be £2 grand. So that's just how it is. Anyway, price does look like it's pushing up, but yeah, probably next trade I'll say yo like one what's up, and I'll try put most of my trades up on YouTube, so get a bit of a journal, if you know what I mean, like a trade journal, but video format, and you will see. But yeah, no. Catch you guys in a bit, I guess. Peace.